How to add glow effect in Picsart. Ready to make your edits signed? Here's how to add glow effect in Picsart. It's quick and easy. First, select the layer. You can select text, sticker or image. Select the one you want to glow. Click on effects, then find and choose the glow effect. Use the sliders to adjust intensity, blur and color of the glow. Preview the effect and hit apply once you are satisfied. Ever used glow on your profile pictures? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Soft neon glow can make text stand out on dark backgrounds, perfect for digital posters or social media posts. And that's how you can add glow effect in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.